Well, back on Eyewitness News with a live picture of students from Hallahan Catholic Girls High School cooling off in the fountain at Logan Square. This is their last day of school, so they are celebrating with a jump in the fountain.
Perfect day to do so, too. And this is a long-time tradition for the students at Hallahan, and it is bittersweet this year because the Archdiocese announced that Hallahan will be closing at the end of this school year.
Now, technically, you're not supposed to be jumping in any fountains, but let them go. Leave them alone today.
Leave them, yes. Especially today, yes. Because this heat, it is brutal, so I'm sure that feels like such a relief to have that, cold water all over you on an afternoon like today, Llarisa.
And Llarisa, it's dangerous out there. I mean, when are we going to get some relief?
Listen, hot and humid, certainly tough for sensitive groups, but before we get into that, to the relief, I do want to talk about a couple flood advisories and warnings that came down the pipe since I last saw you. So there is a flood advisory that is in effect, and this is for Monroe County. So that includes the Poconos, where flooding has been detected. We're dealing with rain that's coming down pretty heavily, and here's a look at the radar. This is just north of the Poconos, where flood warnings are actually in place. That does include the city of Scranton, once again north of our area. But these storms also producing some hail. That's that purple blob that you see underneath these storms. They're also they're leading to rain rates of up to 2 inches per hour. That is a whole lot of rain coming down at once. And when I warned you that that's exactly what we were going to see, it's what's happening to our north. But we already have thunderstorms beginning to bubble up. It's just hot and humid. And when we have both of those ingredients, we have those pop-up thunderstorms. They're called diurnal thunderstorms. They get going with the heating of the day. And that's exactly when we're going to continue to see these storms. Once we lose the heating of the day, the storms will diminish. Right now, though, temperatures are about 4 degrees cooler compared to this time yesterday, but it certainly doesn't feel like it because when you factor in the dew point, notice what it feels like outside. 92 degrees. That is the current feeling here in Philadelphia, but elsewhere across the region, it is just hot, quite balmy with a feeling of 96 degrees in Wilmington, not far behind in Wildwood. But take a look up in the mountains where it's raining. It only feels like it's 70 outside. So hopefully some of this rain will cool us off. Unfortunately, that is not the case right now. It's 86 degrees. That's the current surface temperature, air temperature here in Philly. 86 in Trenton, 86 overcast in Allentown. And right now, the bulk of the action is north of the mountains. But Mount Pocono, you're also seeing some steady rain, thunderstorms, and of course, that flood advisory that's in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon. So let's go ahead and talk timing, because as we head towards the latter half of the afternoon, these storms will continue to spread. We're tracking scattered showers and storms. Notice how the mountains back towards the Lehigh Valley, looking at the heavy rain. We head towards tonight. Once the sun goes down, these storms should quickly diminish, and then we're dry for Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, guess what? We do it all over again with scattered showers and storms. Same similar pattern happens and unfolds for us by Thursday. So here's what you can expect. This excessive heat continues with us today and tomorrow. That heat humidity has extended our heat advisory until tonight. Locally heavy rain possible. It's happening up in the mountains right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if any location across the region sees some heavy rain. So we could see flash flooding. It's likely toward the afternoon hours. And then as we head towards the end of the week, a big drop in these temperatures. So for you asking when we'll see relief, it does come in the way on Thursday, as we'll see temperatures drop into the 80s, and then an even bigger drop as a cold front begins to work its way through the region for Friday. On Friday, we're tracking mainly rain, and then the weekend looks fantastic. Sunshine and clouds both days, temperatures in the 70s as well.
Okay, Llarisa, you've redeemed yourself with the weekend. Thank you.